suffice. Yeah! Zip 2 crew returns, baby. We about to lay this shit down on the first fucking try. First try. Let's go. Yeah. Man, late night in the kitchen. That's where you can find me whipping. Not crack, I'm baking chicken. By the way, it's finger licking. Late night in the kitchen, not making crack. I'm doing dishes, cleaning the place till the shiner. If I ever get a paper cut, you know I'm crying. This stuff ain't for children. Why I'm always wearing mittens. Dinner served, find me sipping. Warm milk ain't just for kittens. Homework is a gift from God. I love when math is super hard. Always keep my shirt tucked. My biggest fear is getting punched. Check the clock, it's getting late. Man, is it already 8:30? I got an online quiz today and I haven't read a single page. I hate when bullies come at me. I'm not good at sports, just a mathlete. Sad when dad doesn't tuck me in, say a swear word, no, that's a sin. Head to my bedroom, but I gotta get to bed soon. Then Friday I can let loose in my best shoes and then choose what kind of vegetables I want. In my silent fucking restaurant, I'm cooking dinner at my own spot. Not the trap, but it gets hot. Show up unannounced, but you best not, cause the guest spot has already been filled by my friend's mom. Always making sure I do the chores, gotta wipe the windows, gotta sweep the floors, finish my veggies, can I have some more? Bag my own stuff at the grocery store. Mom whipping up cooking pancakes, I'm never showing up to class late. Always be in bed right around 8, live in North Dakota, what a sweet state. I've got a trap hound, he'll mess you up if you mess around. Purebred, labradoodle, harder than uncooked penne noodles. Eat some cheesecake, got a tummy ache. Gotta be minus on my quiz today. Dad came home and set me straight. He didn't even let me go outside to play. I live a life that's super calm. Man, where'd I put my lip balm? My lips can't be getting chapped, cause I don't have no time for that. Gotta follow rules, gotta act right. Smoking marijuana is not tight. Pee my pants cause I'm scared of heights. Never sleep in the dark cause I use a night light. Head to class, I'm running late. Green tea in hand, I'm feeling great. Yeah. Yard. Blargin.
This the outro. Peace and love, dudes. Family fun trap song. 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 Let's go.